So now we will learn how to convert a transfer function into state space model. So initially we have to multiply x1 of s and divide by x1 of s with the transfer function. So we get two equations, x1 of s upon r of s and y of s upon x1 of s. Let's first consider the equation number 1. By multiplying the equation 1, r of s into 1 and this whole term will be multiplied with x1 of s, we get this equation. Now let's take the inverse Laplace of this equation. So r of s will be converted to small r of t from frequency domain to time domain. Here the power of the s is 3, that's why we can say that it is triple differentiation, therefore x1 of triple differentiation of t. Similarly here double differentiation, here differentiation, and this x1 of s will be converted to x1 of t. Let's consider x1 of t as our first variable. We can see that second variable can be considered x1 of single differentiation. The third variable can be taken as x1 of double differentiation, that is x1 of double differentiation of t, and x3 differentiation of is equal to x1 triple differentiation. So let's write this term into the variables form. Therefore we get r of t is equal to x3 of t plus 2x3 plus 3x square t plus x1 of t. We have values for these three variables, but we don't have the value for x3 dot of t. So by shifting RHS we get the value for x3 of t. So we know state equation is given as, here from here we can learn, here these are the state variables, and the matrix here is the system matrix, the system variables, and these are the input matrix, and this one are the state vector, and this one is the input vector. So from our variables, let's fill up this. As you can see, for x1 bar of t, only x2 t is present, therefore here we write 0 1 0. For x2 bar we have only x3, that's why we write 0 0 1, and for x3 of t we have -1, -3 and -2, that's why we have written -1, -3 and -2 here, and these are the variables. Now let's consider the output equation. For output equation we will consider the equation number 2. So here also we will cross multiply. So by cross multiplying we will get y of s is equal to x1 of s into s square plus 3s into x1 of s plus 3x1 of s. Now let's take inverse Laplace of this equation. While taking the inverse Laplace we get y of s is converted to y of t. Here there is s square, that means double differentiation, so x1 t. Similarly for this one, as we done it in last equation. So the output equation is given as this one is the output equation y of t, and this matrix is the output matrix. These are the state vector, this one is the transmission matrix, and these are the input vector. Let's understand by filling in the matrix. Here there is only y of t, and for, as we can see here, there are no variables x1 of t, x2 of t and x3 of t like we did it in the last equation. So here there is only y of t. So here y of t is given, we have written 3, 3 and 1, because here 3x1t plus 3x2 of t plus 1 x3 of t. That's why we have written 3, 3 and 1. And here these are the variables that we have written of these numbers, plus this is the transmission matrix, that is 0 because no transmission matrix is present here, and the input is 0. There is no input for the y of t, so we have written here 0. So we can write this as 3, 3, 1, and these are the variables. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Mohammad Saud Sayyed, and today we are going to learn what is state space model. My friend explained one question on it, and I'm gonna explain another one. So let's start. The question is, obtain a state space model for transfer function t of s is equals to s minus 3 by s square plus 4s plus 13. Okay, so for transfer function we just have to multiply x1 of s and divide x1 of s with the transfer function. So we will get these two equations, x1 of s upon rfs, y of s upon x1 of s. So let's consider first equation. Just cross multiply it and we will get this equation. Now taking inverse of it, that means to convert from frequency domain to time domain, and the power of s is 2 here, so we will take x1 of 2 differentiation of t. Here it is 1, so x1 of 1 differentiation of t, and it is just 13 x1 of t. Let consider x1 of t as our first variable. Therefore xt of t is equals to x1 of t, x2 differentiation of t is x1 double differentiation of t. Okay, so let's put these variables into equation. R of t is equals to xt, the single differentiation of t, plus 4x2 of t plus 13x1 of t. Now we don't know the value of x2 of t, so we will shift it on the left side, so we will get this value. Okay, so now we know what is state space equation. It is given as x differentiation is equals to ax plus bu. Now this one is the system matrix. Here it is input matrix. It is known as state vector, and it is input vector. Okay, so for output we will just have to consider equation 2, which is this one, y of s upon x1 of s is equals to s minus 3. Here we just have to cross multiply it and then we'll get it. Now taking inverse, we will get y of t. We just have converted from frequency domain to time domain. That's why y of s converted into y of t. So it is single differentiation. So single differentiation. Here no differentiation. So as it is. Now we will take x1 of t left side. Okay, so we'll get this equation. For output equation of the state space equation, we know c of x plus d of u plus cx plus du. Okay, so here it is minus 3, therefore minus 3, x1 of t's value minus 3, x2 of t's value is nothing, so 1, x1 of t plus x2 of t. Okay, and this is just vectors, so we will cancel it and we'll got the output minus 3, 1, x1 of t and x2 of t. So thank you all for listening.